Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2002 Toyota Tacoma PreRunner. The gear shift is wobbling and the ignition key does not want to come out of the ignition. A lot of times if the bushings are worn out on the gear shift, it's too much play in it and it can't go all the way into gear, and the key, sometimes it doesn't want to come out. So first we're going to be replacing the bushings. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Some white grease, Phillips screwdriver, flat tip screwdriver, 3/8 ratchet, 14mm socket, and a 12mm wrench. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a blue gear shift bushing. You can either buy it from the dealer or from the internet. Okay, so first we're going to be removing this console. There's 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So we're going to be removing that. Okay, removing 3 screws, one here, and one there. So I'm going to be removing this plate. There's 3 screws, one here, and one there. Okay, so we're going to be removing this long bolt that goes right through the shifter. Okay, so this is all the bushing that's all deteriorated. Kind of clean up the gear shift, putting the new bushings on. So I'm going to be putting a little white grease in my bushing. Okay, so now we're going to be putting back this bolt. Okay, gotta put the shifter back in the slot. Okay, so putting on this plastic piece. Screwing this guy on. Okay, now the key comes out. Okay, so we're gonna be putting back the console. Putting back the 4 screws. Okay, and you're good to go. So that's how you replace a gear shift bushing. If you have any questions, comment below, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.